Just wait and see. Don't you worry. It's not just me. Don't think about it. I can get up. Just wait and see. Don't you worry, I can get up. It's not just me. Don't think about it. Just wait and see. Don't you worry, I can get up. It's not just me. Don't think about it, I can get up.
Welcome to our room at the Faena Hotel.
Room tour.
Come on in.
Nice little overview.
Yeah.
All right, babe, what are we looking at?
So this is the Ocean View Suite. As you can see, we have a king size. I think this is a California king. Very
Nice.
And we have our living area. This is the velvet couch.
Oh, bar. That's where I'm gonna be at.
And
Oh, this is nice. Okay.
And we have a nice front-facing ocean view and wrap-around balcony.
Let's take a look. Oh, nice. Oh, you look great.
Definitely gotta go out to the pool in the morning. And it wraps all the way around to the bay. So you can see the views of the bay as well.
Very nice balcony.
This is a huge balcony. Counter tab.
Okay.
Yeah, I love this view.
All right, let's take a look at that bathroom.
Hey, babe, show us that bathroom.
All right, guys, follow me. Sliding down.
Whoa, fancy. Oh, wow. Yes, soaking tub. Oh, yes, I'm gonna enjoy that.
Dual sinks.
Dual sinks, vanity. I love the lights.
Nice little shower
Walk-in
area.
shower.
How much
Oh,
room is in there?
has a rain shower. It's nice. It's like you can sit down in here. In case you want to sit and shower.
Yeah, I might do that.
Is that what you're gonna do? Very cool. Yeah, I'm loving it. How do you like the room, honey?
Bathroom, of course, as well.
Oh.
So,
Whoa.
okay.
It just opened by itself. Oh, it's a beignet.
That's a bidet.
Bidets. Oh yeah, it has like the little controls and everything.
Very nice, very nice.
Oh, and we get our own robes too.
Sweet.
Yeah, this is a really nice room.
All right, guys, this is where we're going to be for the next weekend. So we're gonna have some fun. Thanks a lot for checking out this room tour with us.
Yeah.
Peace. Dinner time.
At Power Restaurant.
Power Restaurant. Check us out. We out here. Let's go, babe.
I can get up. Just wait and see. Don't you worry. It's not just me.
You guys, so we're at Power Restaurant and the food was so delicious.
Check it out.
I can get up. Just wait and see. Don't you worry. I can get up.
Oh yeah, we're going to get some breakfast.
I'm starving, as always.
Yeah, me too. What do you want? Some pancakes?
Belgian waffle.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Just wait and see. Don't you worry, I can get up. It's not just me. Don't think about it, I can get up.
Wrapping it up.
It was such a good weekend.
Yep.
So enjoyed it. How excited are you gonna be once baby boy gets here?
Dumb excited.
Yeah, you are.
The whole lifestyle change, but it's gonna be the best lifestyle change.
You just gonna bring him along with us?
Yep. It's gonna be 3 of us. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and luggage.